Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda Carolina, or you can call me simply Carolina. Thank you for being here, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for joining us. So today I will be opening and reviewing the Johnny Was face mask that I had ordered about a month ago. My family and I had ordered. So for those of you who don't know what Johnny Was, and so a little bit about Johnny Was. They're based out in California. They're this upscale, very feminine, very floral, bohemian brand. They pull influence from other cultures. It's usually silk, floral, natural elements. It's really quite beautiful. If you guys ever want to take a look at their stuff, I would definitely recommend it. It goes from extra small up to plus size. So they're definitely very ranged in their size and very inclusive. I personally really love Johnny Was. So when I saw that they made these masks, I was like, yep, I'm buying some. So really quickly before I start opening this, I do want to mention the whole pack was $25 for 5 of them. I don't know what patterns are in here. It was at random, and they didn't charge any tax or shipping, and I am not in any way affiliated with Johnny Was, so this is not endorsed. This is just my personal opinion. All right, so we got our package. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. I have some scissors. So first thing I notice is it's wrapped in this really gorgeous tissue paper, and it actually says Johnny Was all over it. I don't know if you guys can even see that. And it has this really, really cute sticker. It's like very like florally, naturey, like what I was telling you guys. I actually don't want to rip it. So I'm just gonna see if there's a way I can open it without ripping the tissue. Yep, there we go, it slipped right out. And it comes in this plastic envelope. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open that. Little ASMR moment. Oh, these are really pretty, guys. Okay, so 5 masks come in each package. So this is just like a little overview. I'm going to show you guys each one individually. So here's the leopard print one. Really, really pretty. And another thing I should mention about these masks is they're made out of silk and cotton. Yes, so the lining is 100% cotton and the outside is silk. Another really, really cool thing is they actually made it so that you can put a filter inside of it, so you can change it up. So that's the leopard print one. Super cute. I mean, can you see it? I can see it. Here's the next one. Very florally, has some like mauve up here. Some tropical flowers is what it looks like. Really, really pretty, very natural. The back is the same thing, pinstripe cotton, and very silky. Our next one is kind of blue. It's like a deeper blue with more tropical flowers. It seems to be like their thing, you know? Pinstripe cotton, and it does have the like little loops for the ears. We have another florally leopard print one. Yeah, it's pretty. I don't know if this is like my favorite one, to be honest. It's a little light. I like darker colors, as I'm wearing orange on my eyes, but whatever. So here is the next one. I really like this one because it's dark and it has pink and it's very tropical, but also very like, you can wear it with anything. I can wear it with this, and I'm wearing like an ice cube. Oh my god. Ice cube, I am so sorry. Anyway, so yeah, let's open one up and see what it looks like. All right guys, so I'm gonna open up this one to show you what it looks like. So just try to get the plastic off. Like ASMR. So now I'm opening it. Okay, So first impression, it's very, very silky on the outside, like I had mentioned. It's really pretty actually. So that's what it looks like. And like they mentioned, it has cotton in the back, and there is a pocket for the filter right here. And yeah, it is definitely a big pocket so you can fit your filter in. So here we go. Okay. And then you can pull it up so it's a snugger fit. Alright, so I'm going to click closer to you guys. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it goes all the way down. Oh, she's cute. Yeah, pandemic but make it fashion, am I right? Yeah, she's cute. And I'm wearing my little leopard earrings. Yeah, she's cute. And of course you can pull it down. It's very, very comfortable actually. Like I hardly notice it. But I probably wouldn't do this too much. I don't want to stretch out the ear loopholes. But I love this. It was definitely worth the $25. I will leave the link in the description. They also included this really nice postcard with a model wearing it. And it says, "Let's protect each other. Johnny was California." They did originate in California. So I'm gonna read this to you guys. "Thank you so much for your purchase. Because of you and your support, we have been able to donate over 300,000 masks to essential workers in our local hospitals and charities. All of our masks are non-medical grade and machine washable. They're perfect for grocery shopping, walking your dog, or saying hello to a neighbor. Plus, by wearing one of these, we free up the medical grade masks for those who need them most. We are grateful that during this unprecedented time, we are coming together stronger than ever and all doing our part to protect one another. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Stay safe, Team Johnny Was." So that's really nice that they included that, and I really love that they do donate to hospitals and charities. So I would definitely buy these guys. Like, you're doing a service, you're helping other people too. So on a serious note, make sure you're wearing your mask whenever you go out. Protect yourself, protect others. And why not be stylish while you do it, right? Like I said, pandemic, but make it fashion. So I will leave the link in the description bar for these. They're definitely worth every penny. And in the next video, I will be showing you guys how to make paper flowers out of coffee filters. They will hopefully look like this. That's what we're hoping for. So if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.